a bomb exploded at a technical college in Crimea. The explosion killed at least 18 people and wounded more than 50 others. Russian investigators are blaming a 22-year-old student. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo met Wednesday with Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan. The State Department said that Pompeo expressed concern about the disappearance of Saudi reporter Jamal Khashoggi. A candidate in Afghanistan's parliamentary election was killed Wednesday in a bombing at his campaign office. And Israel launches raids against targets in the Gaza Strip after rocket fire from the Palestinian territory.